welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Paris back at it again with another video. How are you guys doing today? I hope everybody's having an amazing day. Today's video is going to be focusing on just the eyes. I already have my base on, as you can see, my highlighter, contour, all that good stuff. But yeah, y'all, before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss when I post. Alright guys, we're ready. Okay, so yeah, I already have my base on and everything. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with this CoverGirl concealer and I'm going to prime my eyelids. And now I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend that out. So I just wanted to focus on the eyes today because you guys have seen me do my base like 1,000 times already. So I just wanted to do like the base and show you guys my new product that I got. And don't pay attention to my hair either, it's not done, so it's looking a little crazy right now, but that's okay. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with some Airspun and set that real quick. Y'all already know the drill. It's so weird doing my eyes after my foundation and everything because I'm so used to doing my eyes first before my foundation. But you know, we just gonna work with it. Y'all, I have been debating on different videos that I wanted to post. And I'm thinking that I should do like some fashion, like clothes videos. Would y'all be into that? If y'all would, let me know down below, because I am definitely thinking about that. So now that we got that, I'm going to go into my, actually, first I'm going to go into my crown palette right here. And I'm going to go in, let me see, what shade do I want to use first? I'm going to go in with, let me think. Yeah, I'm gonna go into, I think I'm gonna do that shade right there. I'm gonna go into that shade with a fluffy little blend-in brush right with this. And I'm going to use this a little bit above my brow bone. That's the only thing I don't like about this palette is that I don't have a mirror, but that's okay because I got thousands of other mirrors. So I'm just gonna use that like basically as my transition shade. Alright, so I'm just going to, you know, just blend that out. You can't really see it, but that's okay. We're going to build more colors up to where you can't see it. I'm going to go in with a different brush. I'm going to use this, this is a crease brush right here. And I'm going to go into my Violet Voss palette essentials. And I'm going to go into the shade Cinnamon right here. And I'm going to place that a little bit lower than that first color. I'm going to be placing it like right in the crease. I love this shade too. Like I like brown shades because I'm a neutral kind of girl. So I like neutral shades like this. So I'm basically just gonna blend this into that first color that I used. And then I'm gonna go in with a different shade. Once I feel like this is all good and blended, so I'm kind of taking that color up kind of high because I was thinking in my other videos I'm not bringing the color up as high, like all the way up there. So I've been trying to like bring it up a little bit higher than what I usually do, so that the colors can really show. So now I'm going to go into the emerald shade right here. I know it's gone, but there's still some in there, you just can't see it. So I'm gonna go in with like a little flat brush like this. I'm gonna spray the brush so that the color can show a little bit better. And then I'm going to place that all over my lid. Ooh, this green is really, really pretty. Alright, that green is really, really pretty. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm so sad this color fell out. Like every time I get new palettes, they like fall out. One of the colors is broken, or I either dig my nail into it by accident, and then later on down the road, like the color just like falls out. Like that's the same thing that happened in my glitters palette that I showed you guys. I dug my nail into it by accident. Y'all with long nails out there know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I dug my nail into it by accident and it came out. And I'm very, very, very upset. But you know, it's alright. We just gonna push through and use what we got. Alright, so now that we got that, I'm gonna go into that same palette and I'm gonna go into the shade Black right here. And I'm just going to use like a more smaller pushes and brush, and I'm going to use that to deepen it up a little bit. Sorry guys, I thought I was recording, but I just went ahead and added some black in my crease a little bit, and now I'm adding some on the outer V a little bit. And I'm going to use another brush, two brushes at the same time. I'm going to use another brush to kind of like blend it out a little bit. Actually, I'm going to use that first brush that I used. So this is a cute little like Christmas look that you could do. A cute note that like if you had something really cute and green to wear, you could definitely do this look. So I was just adding a little bit of black just to deepen it up a little bit. Alright, now for the fun part, I'm going to go in with my, this is MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid, and it's very, very beautiful. I'm going to use this as eyeliner, guys. So as you can see, actually, yeah, it looks like this. It's cute and gold, so I'm just going to use this as eyeliner. Alright, y'all, so I'm just going to apply that with like a small little angled brush that I have. Alright, y'all, so that took a little bit of time to do, but I got it on. I think it looks good. This gold is very, very pretty. One of the wings is a little bit bigger. Let me see if I can fix it, but I mean, it's alright. And the stuff does dry pretty quickly, so when you put it on, you need to like hurry and, you know, do what you gotta do. But yeah, y'all, this is the liner, and now I'm going to add my lashes. Okay guys, so now that I have my lashes on, and you can see that little wing that we got going on there, I'm gonna go back into my Essentials palette and use that cinnamon shade, and I'm just gonna place that on my lower lash line. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with that black shade. I'm going to place a little bit of the black on the bottom as well. Alright, so now that we got that, I'm going to go into the shade Cream, this shade right there, that one, and I'm going to place that right in my lower, like in my brow bone and in my inner corner. Alright guys, so this is the finishing look. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!